AT&T introduces a new Windows Phone with beauty and brains. Now get a Samsung Focus for only $99.99, only from AT&T. Rethink possible.
The Weather Man.
It's been a crazy winter, and it's just getting crazier.
The Weather Team.
We have breaking news for you this morning.
We are getting remarkable images and stories.
Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 Eastern. Your daily forecast, news headlines, and the top story.
Literally the worst conditions I think I've ever been in.
Ready when you are, no matter the weather.
9 states under blizzard warnings. 9 states.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 Eastern on the Weather Channel.
On TV, on your computer, on your phone, the source for weather. The Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A blizzard warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 19 degrees with light snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, blizzard conditions, low 17. Winds northeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 8 to 12 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, periods of snow and windy. High 18. Winds north at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. And Wednesday night, becoming partly cloudy later with any flurries or snow showers ending by midnight. Low 3. Chance of snow 30%. Our 7-day outlook.
As most of you know, a major winter storm is bearing down in Indianapolis. We expect significant ice accumulations plus high winds in the 40-mile-per-hour area based on the National Weather Forecast.